Come test drive this 2013 Toyota Prius 5 Hybrid. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Toyota paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.